19-year-old man charged with sexual assault of a 5-year-old girl in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 19-year-old man has been charged with raping a 5-year-old girl in Westmoreland. Peter McDonald, otherwise called Junior, a delivery man from Westmoreland, has been charged with rape following a police probe into the incident which occurred last week. The child, a student, has since been admitted to hospital, the police have stated. It was reported that sometime in the afternoon on November 22nd, 2023, the child was at home when she was lured to the next door neighbor's house. While there, the police said that her clothes were removed and she was penetrated. A report was made to the police and the child medically examined and later admitted to hospital. McDonough was arrested and subsequently charged following a police investigation. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.